to Chinki Drawing Arts. Today, we're drawing something slow, swirly, and super adorable. Can you guess? It carries its home on its back. It's a snail! Yay! Grab your black marker and let's get drawing. Let's give our snail a happy face. Two round eyes. A little mouth, and of course, two long antennae popping out like candy sticks. Now let's draw the body. Aw, look at that cute face. Let's start with the shell. Draw a big circle like a lollipop. Now add a spiral inside. Keep it loopy and round. That's the snail's cozy little shell. He's like, I live in the swirl. Now, let's make our drawing pop. Go over your lines carefully with your marker. Nice and steady. Don't rush. Wow! This little snail is ready to wiggle away. It's coloring time. Let's bring this cutie to life. Here are the colors we'll use today. Red for the snail's body. Body nice and smooth. Pink for the cheeks if you want extra cuteness. Yellow and brown for the shell.
Nice.
Now for the shell. Use yellow for the swirl parts.
You must try this.
And brown for the spaces in between. Ooh, that combo looks so sweet. Subscribe to Chinki Drawing Arts for more fun, creative drawings like this. Eee! Too cute! You did such a fantastic job, little artist. Our snail looks so happy, colorful, and full of life. Give yourself a big warm hug and a thumbs up. Don't forget to share your snail with someone who makes you smile. See you next time. Keep drawing and keep shining.